Hello my beautiful friends and welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings, and occasional giveaway. We do have a giveaway that's live now and I'll put that in the description box down below. If you are new to Macy's, it is a beauty subscription box, ships out monthly for $15, and there's usually about 5 deluxe size. Sometimes they throw in a full size sample in there too. So let's dive into this box. There's always a pamphlet that talks a little bit about the products, and then they usually not usually, they will always throw in either a $5 off or a $10 off coupon to purchase anything either in-store or online from their beauty products. Macy's always has the cutest bags, and this one says so fresh and so clean. And I love that it's plastic, easy to throw when you go to the beach or anything else. You don't have to worry about spills or anything like that getting on your bag. All of the products always come neatly wrapped in tissue paper. So the first item that I'm pulling out is by Marc Jacobs. It is their Daisy Love S.O.S du Toilette spray. I don't mind getting these because I always take them out of the little container, and I have this little container here that I got just at the dollar store, and I put this in and I put this in the guest bedroom. So there's always samples there for my friends and relatives. And so full size of that just retail for $104 for the perfume. So let's just get a little sniff here. Ooh, I really like that. It's a really kind of a light musk smell is what I smell when I do this. So this says that it is the Daisy Love S.O.S, captures the addictive and irresistible spirit of Daisy Love with an unexpected sweet freshness. Sparkling with raspberries reveal a lustrous personality, while a soft floral airiness and delicate musk immerse you in the sweetness of the moment. The fresh gourmet fragrance creates an enticing atmosphere that truly embraces its name. I really do like that one. Ooh, they threw in a men's one this time. This is the Montblanc Men's Explorer et de Parfum. Full size this retails for $98. Let's give this one a sniff here. Ooh, I like that. Something smells kind of sexy about that. This one, it says, explorers know it well. Adventure has no limits. Once you have climbed a new summit, you start thinking of the next challenge. Like an irresistible call, the splendor and explored landscape of the true nature of man. Introducing Explorer, the new fragrance from Montblanc. This unconventional woody aromatic leather et de parfum reveals a fresh green Italian bergamot contrasted with the powerful Vinosource from Haiti, combined with rich and exclusive patchouli from Indonesia. The Explorer bottle pays tribute to European craftsmanship through the expertise, the heritage of the Maison Montblanc. Resolutely masculine, its solid shape evokes timeless strength of the true spirit of exploration. Top note bergamot, middle note Vinosource, bottom note patchouli, and it's created specifically for Macy's. I really do like this. From Caudalie is their Vinosource S.O.S Thirst Quenching Serum. Full size of this does retail for $49. And this is an oil-free serum that captures the continually diffuses water within the skin to restore its moisture balance and leaves skin feeling soft and subtle. It's a highly potency serum, will serve dehydrated dull skin. Powered by Caudalie's exclusive organic grape water, the formula immediately reactivates the skin's ability to retain moisture over time. Rich in Caudalie patent grapeseed polydens, which provide antioxidant protection against UV rays and free radicals and main cause of wrinkles. It is gentle enough for even the most sensitive skin. It's also the ideal base for moisturizer, allowing quick penetration, leaving the skin instantly refreshed, hydrated, and comfortably soft. The product is hypoallergenic and oil-free. You apply the serum in the morning and evening to cleanse skin on face, neck, and décolletage prior to applying your moisturizer. Follow with the moisturizer for best results. Use with the Vinosource moisturizing sorbet. I have tried that sorbet and I really like that too. So I'm anxious to kind of try these in combination with each other. Here's a brand I haven't tried in a while. It is Boscia. Remember when they had that like jelly balm, kind of that big black goo basically that helped remove all your makeup? That was the last thing that I tried from them. Anyway, this is the Boscia Detoxifying Black Cleanser. Full size of this does retail for $30. It reduces the appearance of pores, purity, dirt-filled skin, and brightens skin with a warming gel cleanser that turns up the heat for a visibly clarified and brightened complexion. Best used for combinations to oily skin types. It's a dynamic duo of activated charcoal and vitamin C, removes excess oil and refines skin texture while brightening the skin. Complexion is left refined, pore affected, and clean. Its key ingredients are activated charcoal, absorbs excess oils and impurities, detoxifies and exfoliates to refine the appearance of pores, artichoke, leaf extracts, helps with the appearance of pore sizing by increasing skin elasticity. Pore wall is less likely to stretch and retain debris. It is vegan and cruelty-free, preservative-free, artificial fragrance, and color-free. You gently massage one pump on to dampen face to create a warming lather. Rinse clean with warm water. So that's a good cleanser to try. There are two cleansers in here. So we had the other one, and then this one is by Korres. It is their Greek yogurt foaming cream cleanser. Full size of this does retail for $26, and it's an indulgent soap-free foaming cream cleanser formulated with nourishing Greek yogurt to effectively remove makeup and impurities. The original milk proteins foaming cleanser formula you love has been boosted with Greek yogurt to deliver 2.5 times more skin soothing and nourishing proteins with the same rich texture, heavenly scent, and cleansing power. This luxurious cleanser is rich in protein, minerals, and vitamins to gently cleanse while nourishing, leaving skin soft and supple. It easily removes impurities, makeup, and mascara without irritation. Its key ingredients include Greek yogurt concentrate. It contains 2.5 times the protein content of regular yogurt for advanced nourishment, honeysuckle, which provides soothing antibacterial and calming benefits, aromath seed extract, calm skins. You basically rub a foaming cleanser gently into wet skin and rinse off with plenty of water. After cleansing, they recommend applying the Greek yogurt to advanced nourishing, sleeping, facial, and overnight results. One note is natural beauty products are made up of both natural and synthetic ingredients and are paraben, phthalate, and sulfate free. It's interesting that they put two different cleansers in here. I don't know if you do one almost like it's a double cleanse. Use this one first to kind of help break everything up, and then use this one second, I'm assuming. Now I am a Clinique girl. This is their Pretty Easy Liquid Eyeliner Pen. Retails for $22. And this one is in the shade Black. I do already have one of these, so I'm not going to open this one. I'm going to put this one in a giveaway. And what it is, it's their Clinique's mistake-proof pen. Creates a clean line in one steady sweep. Tapered precision brush paints on pure deep color from a thin to thick line, or smudge and budge resistant wear. It's allergy tested, 100% fragrance, allergy tested, 100% fragrance free, ophthalmologist tested, safe for sensitive eyes, safe for contact lens wearers, sweat and humidity resistant, water resistant, paraben free, phthalates free, sulfates free, S.O.S free, talc free, mineral oil free, 100% vegan ingredients. And I have used this, like I said, and I really liked it. So. And do you guys remember the e.l.f., I think it was? Pen that you can use to kind of erase, like, you know, if you got a little carried away on your liner or anything like that. Well, this product is kind of basically the same thing. This is the Girlactik Invisible Shadow Primer Erase Liner. Retails for $17. And what it says, and there's also a card specifically just for this one. And it is an invisible clear chubby pencil. So here's kind of what the pencil looks like. Smudginess can be wiped away in seconds. Apply the smudge eraser stick as a liner wherever you have smeared liner or mascara, then a cotton swab and wipe away. Voila! The smudge eraser stick makes it easy to remove any mascara marks or eyeliner smudges. No concealer, no tissue, no sponge, no wipes, just smudge eraser stick and a cotton swab. Use a pencil to also perfect your cat wing liner. The product is a total problem solver and something every girl needs. I can never get that e.l.f. pen to work a whole lot, so I'm anxious to see if I can get this to kind of clean up some of the mistakes or anything, if it works better than the other one. If you tried both, let me know. So which of the products were your favorite? I think that mine are, I'm anxious to try out the two cleansers. The serum, it's really hard to tell on skincare because you really need a full size and you need to be using it for about a month to figure out if this is going to really work for you or not. So I'm anxious to try these two out. What were your favorites? Let me know in the comments down below. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. It does really mean a lot to me when you like and hit that subscription bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day and I will see you soon. Bye.